The release of GPT-4 Vision marks a significant advancement in artificial intelligence, blending natural language processing with sophisticated image and video understanding. This multimodal capability allows for groundbreaking applications across various fields, enhancing productivity, creativity, and accessibility. Let's delve into the incredible features and potential uses of GPT-4 Vision, exploring its capabilities in different domains. Number 1. Enhanced image and video analysis. One of the most notable features of GPT-4 Vision is its ability to analyze and interpret images and videos with high accuracy. This capability opens up several innovative applications. Medical imaging. In healthcare, GPT-4 Vision can assist in diagnosing medical conditions by analyzing X-rays, MRIs, and other medical images. It can identify anomalies, suggest possible diagnoses, and even recommend further tests or treatments. This can significantly improve the accuracy and speed of medical diagnoses, particularly in areas with limited access to specialized healthcare professionals. Surveillance and security. GPT-4 Vision can be used in security systems to analyze video feeds in real time, identifying suspicious activities, recognizing faces, and detecting unauthorized access. This can enhance security measures in public spaces, private properties, and high-security areas like airports and government buildings. Environmental monitoring. Environmental agencies can leverage GPT-4 Vision to monitor changes in the environment through satellite imagery. It can track deforestation, urbanization, and changes in water bodies, providing valuable data for environmental conservation and policymaking. Number 2. Real-time language translation and interpretation. GPT-4 Vision's ability to understand and translate languages in real time makes it an invaluable tool for breaking down language barriers. Multilingual communication. Businesses operating in global markets can use GPT-4 Vision for seamless communication across different languages. During international meetings, the AI can translate spoken and written content in real time, facilitating better understanding and collaboration between parties. Tourism and travel. Travelers can use GPT-4 Vision to navigate foreign countries more easily. By simply pointing their device at signs, menus, or other written materials, they can receive instant translations, making travel more accessible and enjoyable. Number 3. Advanced content creation. GPT-4 Vision capabilities extend to creative fields, where it can assist in generating high-quality content. Visual storytelling. Content creators can use GPT-4 Vision to develop compelling visual stories. By analyzing images and videos, the AI can generate descriptive narratives, suggest plot developments, and even create dialogue for characters. This can be particularly useful for filmmakers, writers, and game developers. Graphic design and art. Artists and designers can leverage GPT-4 Vision to enhance their creative process. The AI can generate design suggestions based on initial sketches, recommend color schemes, and even create detailed illustrations. This can save time and provide new creative ideas for professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 4. Educational tools and resources. GPT-4 Vision can revolutionize education by providing interactive and immersive learning experiences. Virtual labs and simulations. Students can engage with virtual labs and simulations powered by GPT-4 Vision. For example, biology students can interact with 3D models of cells and organs, while physics students can visualize complex experiments. This hands-on approach can enhance understanding and retention of complex concepts. Accessibility for students with disabilities. GPT-4 Vision can also improve accessibility in education. It can convert written content into audio or sign language, helping students with visual or hearing impairments. Additionally, it can provide real-time descriptions of visual materials, ensuring all students have equal access to educational resources. Number 5. Automated customer support. Businesses can use GPT-4 Vision to provide efficient and personalized customer support. Visual troubleshooting. Customers can use their device cameras to show issues with products to support agents, and GPT-4 Vision can analyze the visual input to provide solutions. For instance, if a customer is struggling with assembling a piece of furniture, the AI can guide them through the process step by step. Enhanced chatbots. Chatbots equipped with GPT-4 Vision can handle more complex queries by interpreting images and videos shared by customers. This can lead to faster resolution times and improved customer satisfaction. Number 6. Personalized shopping experiences. Retailers can leverage GPT-4 Vision to enhance the shopping experience for their customers. Virtual try-ons? Customers can use GPT-4 Vision to virtually try on clothes, accessories, and even makeup. By analyzing their body type and preferences, the AI can recommend the best products and show how they would look when worn. Visual search. Shoppers can take pictures of items they like, and GPT-4 Vision can identify and find similar products in the retailer's inventory. This feature can streamline the shopping process and help customers find exactly what they are looking for. Number 7. Improved accessibility features. GPT-4 Vision can significantly enhance accessibility features for individuals with disabilities. Real-time object recognition. For visually impaired individuals, GPT-4 Vision can provide real-time object recognition. By describing the objects and surroundings captured by a camera, the AI can help users navigate their environment more safely and independently. Sign language interpretation. GPT-4 Vision can interpret sign language in real time, converting it into spoken or written text. This can facilitate communication for individuals who are deaf or hard of hearing, making interactions more inclusive. Number 8. Autonomous vehicles. In the field of autonomous vehicles, GPT-4 Vision can play a crucial role in enhancing safety and efficiency. Advanced Driver Assistance Systems (ADAS). GPT-4 Vision can be integrated into ADAS to improve vehicle safety. It can analyze real-time video feeds to detect obstacles, read traffic signs, and monitor the behavior of other vehicles on the road. This can help prevent accidents and improve overall road safety. Navigation and mapping. Autonomous vehicles can use GPT-4 Vision to create detailed maps of their surroundings, enabling more accurate navigation. The AI can recognize landmarks, calculate optimal routes, and adapt to changing road conditions in real time. The new GPT-4 Vision model represents a significant leap forward in artificial intelligence, combining advanced language processing with sophisticated image and video analysis. Its diverse applications across various fields, from healthcare and education to customer support and autonomous vehicles, demonstrate its potential to transform industries and improve lives. As technology continues to evolve, the capabilities of GPT-4 Vision will likely expand even further, paving the way for more innovative and impactful uses. The introduction of GPT-4 Vision is a groundbreaking development in artificial intelligence, offering a plethora of applications that enhance productivity, creativity, and accessibility. From revolutionizing medical imaging and providing real-time language translation to enabling advanced content creation and personalized shopping experiences, GPT-4 Vision is poised to transform multiple industries. As technology continues to evolve, the potential uses of GPT-4 Vision will expand, opening up even more innovative and impactful applications. We hope you found this deep dive into GPT-4 Vision enlightening and inspiring. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest in AI and technology.